Conducting
The
for.
filter and pump for the swimming pool. And then the stuff that I bought.
Oh, today?
Yeah, the saltwater system.
I see. Oh, wow.
It's this chlorine, turn salt and chlorine.
Oh, we have no pala. Why we need to order? No need.
I got a pool sprayer.
Right, setting up again. What is that? The salt water. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Usable it is. Oh. You already installed or they deliver like that?
Huh?
They deliver
What?
like that? Or you're the one who installed it?
No, they delivered like that. It's nice and easy.
Nice and easy. We connect to the house?
Yeah, these things use lots of power.
Lots of power.
Yeah, electricity bills can go way.
Hole? That is 3 whole loves. Right, why you change the position?
Because that goes to our inlet, and that will go to that. This will spread and go to this, and then go into this. So.
All right. I'm so lucky. Good thing that my husband knows how to
I forgot something.
do that.
There's these things here that need to go on.
Need to?
We have things that go on there, I think, too.
Inside.
Yeah.
Needs to be tied. Over there. You just install these labs just now? Sand.
Yeah, it's the filter.
Oh. You're going to put it here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright. Filter sand.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe place it there. But so that is the final step to connecting the
Connecting the pump, yeah.
pump, 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 pump. The adapter.
Huh?
We connect the
We
socket.
need to plug them in once we get water in it.
Alright. So that is
That's all. Deep, deep, deep.
so you need to on power on over that. We already have a put salt over there, connect to there, and connect to there. Alright. And there you go.
Yeah.
Leaking?
It's leaking because these ports are open.
Oh my gosh. How many days that one happened?
I don't know.
Oh,
Just now because it just got up to here, right?
just now?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's just getting up to these.
Oh, yeah.
Right? There's no leaks there, no leaks there.
Is it? It's getting straight now, loves.
Level.
That's your work. I'll do it outside. Just
This is the 2023 summary. The surprising fuel-efficient DC turbo engine.
Hi, guapo. Can I interview? Come here. How's this happen? It's rotating the water. Oh wow! Look at that. Oh. It's slowly getting clean. Lately it's dirty. Now getting clean.
Yeah. So I should be able to do the swimming pool in 6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah,
6 hours to rotate the.
theoretically, yeah, it's a 2,800 gallon pump. This is 15,000 gallons.
Oh wow!
So theoretically,
6 hours.
6
Oh,
hours. Yeah.
Oh my
about
gosh.
5 and a half.
oh wow! So good luck. You're gonna be so tan if you stay there for 6 hours.
It's on a 12. It's on a rotation. It's
Rotation.
on a timer. I don't
So
have
later
to
it's
do
gonna
that.
be color blue.
No.
Later, after 6 hours, it's gonna be clean and color blue. You already put the salt?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay,
Gotta
I'll be
clean
back.
the water first.
We need that.
Because as I dump the salt in, you need to scrub it to make it dissolve.
Dissolve the salt.
Yeah.
Oh, it's time for us to put this salt here. We need to clean again.
It's, look on the gauge over there, it's in the yellow. Meaning
Meaning what?
you have to clean the filter.
Oh, it's already dirty.
Yeah, so what you do is you back
Oh,
watch out, baby.
why? How much you going to? Ay, di puta!
Told you to watch out. You see how dirty it is?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
brown.
So you run it until it's clean, until it blows out clean water.
Oh.
You need to get a hose to dry that.
It's so dirty. I think that lots of water dirty.
Like that's how it's
Oh, it's clear.
clear.
Mhm.
You turn the power off. You turn it back to filter. And then
What is that for?
you see all this stuff in here.
That yellow one?
And this one here. This one. This is a skimmer. And then that's the skimmer. Also.
back on the other side.
The brush fall down in the pool. How are we supposed to get the brush?
Ay!
Wait, Mama. I heard last month. Not to Naginamala. It's like death sentence. Yeah, but you were working with them. Like I said, I did what I had to do. They're the ones who held me on the base. What did you do for them? George, my baby.
Well, that is one hell of a happy ending.
Some days I really like my job.
I hear that.
Everything okay, boss? No. What happens now?
It's a result. After rain. And then down we put in backwash. Then little rinse. Filter. How many days that it's the rusty before loves?
Just like 2 or 3 days,
And
right?
after 3 days it's clear.
Almost, yeah. 3 or 4 days, it's clear, right? That's what you do. That's your backwash, your filter, you dump the chemicals and balance the chemicals in it.
Yeah.